Yes.
Yeah.
Our friend Agnel Fernandez has taken a press conference, and in that press conference is alleging me that I am part of some fight which took place at Anjuna. First of all, the constituency is not part of Kalangut. Roy Fernandez, who was attacked by some antisocial elements, I strongly condemn this attack, and whoever has hit Roy should be immediately arrested. I have phoned PI Anjuna to take strong action. That whoever has hit them, because one of the boy who was hit is my neighbor from Parra, who works with Roy or who is associated with Roy for some business activity. His also leg is fractured. In no way I am connected to this incident. Whoever is trying to implicate me is for political reason. Let the police investigate. And whoever is saying I owe money to Roy, let them come to me and show me where is that land I have sold bought any land from Roy or anybody like that. Elections are coming close by, and this is nothing but to misguide the people of Kalangut constituency that Michael Lobo is involved in some fights, that also in Anjuna, and in my direction he is being hit. This is all wrong. I strongly condemn the attack on Roy Fernandez and others, and let the police investigate and let the truth come out. And I want Roy also to keep hand on his conscience and talk whether I am involved in this. Why should I be involved? For what reason? For what reason I should hit Roy? We never hit anybody. And if anybody talks about hitting somebody else, I am the first guy who says, Baba, don't take law in your hand, don't try to hit anybody.